Drench the sauce all over the fish. Whoa.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make a酱蒸 fish head. And I'm using 2 fish head here. This is actually 1 fish head cut into half. Of course, make sure you wash your fish head thoroughly, especially any blood stain. Wash everything away, yeah? Those are the source of fishiness. So, other than the fish, let's take a look at how you make the酱蒸 sauce. So basically, you will need some red chili. I use a big red chili here. So I have about 6-7 pieces of big red chili here. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. A bit of ginger and also shallot. And not only that, the 酱蒸's flavor actually comes from 2 kinds of fermented beans. Number 1 is the 豆酒, fermented soya bean, and the salted black bean. And to give the unique sourish flavor, actually they are using plum sauce. Yeah, this is plum sauce. And of course, Appa, you will be using my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore for those who are in. First of all, let's prepare a steaming plate. Okay, I'm putting a bit of ginger at the bottom here. And then I'm putting in the fish head. This is actually from the same fish, right? Put a few pieces of ginger. Next thing, we are going to give it a bit of salt, and we shall send this to the steamer. All right, the steamer has been heated up to a minimum 100 degrees Celsius. I'm going to put in the fish, close the lid, let it do its work, and I'm going to go and make the sauce. All right, so first thing first, of course, you need to blend, yeah, or use a chopper to blend up the garlic, shallot, and also ginger to a very coarse consistency like this. No need to be very fine. No need to add water also actually. Actually, do give it a little bit more oil whenever you are making anything with chili. The oil doesn't have to be very hot, yeah? If it's too hot, actually your chili can get burnt also. So you put in the chili, the salted black bean. The thing about salted black bean is you need to smash it, yeah? To allow the flavor to release easier. Just press it using a spoon or something. And also 1 teaspoon of this 豆酒. Some 豆酒 you also need to press it. Don't use too high heat. Chili can get burnt rather easily. If you find it too dry, feel free to add a bit more oil. And let me guarantee you now it's going to smell fantastic. Now the only thing I did not add here as compared to the normal restaurant is pork lard. So if you have pork lard at home, definitely you can add it in towards the end. So we are going to saute this for a minute or 2 before we continue. Alright, this is after about a minute or 2. Next thing we are going to add, we tune down the fire first. You don't want it to get chao da, yeah? I'm going to give it a little bit of salt, some sugar, the sour plum sauce. If you don't have sour plum sauce, you can put the tomato sauce as a replacement, and my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Optional, but you will definitely add the umami flavor to your dish. Now we can actually raise the fire. Next thing, I'm going to add in some water, a little bit more water here. All right. If you can adjust to taste using salt and also sugar. It should be a little bit sweet for this sauce. I think I will add in a bit of tomato sauce. Alright. Alright, I heard beep beep sound from my steamer. My fish is ready. So, and the sauce is ready at the same time. Fantastic. Open the steamer. Let the steam to release first. Then we can carefully take out the fish. Nice. All right, see all this steamed fish water? This is also the source of fishiness. We don't want it. So you either throw the water away or you move the fish over to another clean plate, which is what I'm about to do right now. All right, so this is a clean serving plate with the fish on. Remove the ginger and the fishy water. And then we're going to drench the sauce all over the fish. Whoa. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. You have some fresh coriander, you can put some fresh coriander on top, yeah, for garnishing. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button, follow Appa on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye-bye.